ever wondered why it is so much easier to kick a soccer ball than it is to kick a bowling ball? Well, we can explain this with the help of Newton's second law.
Hey, wait a second. What is Newton's second law?
That's a very good question, little Billy. Newton's three laws of motion form the fundamental basis for physics. Newton's first law tells us that all objects have inertia, and you can overcome that inertia by applying a force. Newton's second law can tell us how fast the object will accelerate after you apply the force. Newton's second law states that the total amount of force acting on an object is always equal to its mass multiplied by its acceleration. Here is an example in which a girl pushes on two balls of different masses with the same force. Can you guess which one has less mass?
Ooh, is it the pink one? It's moving faster.
That's right. Similarly, if an object has the same mass and you apply different forces to it, the bigger the force, the bigger the acceleration. Notice how this girl's second kick goes much further because she uses more force. These are examples of Newton's second law at work. To calculate how many newtons of force is required to accelerate a certain object by a certain magnitude, simply multiply your mass in kilograms by your acceleration in meters per second squared. For example, in order for a 10 kilogram object to accelerate by 2 meters per second squared,
you multiply 10 by 2. That's 20.
Very good, little Billy. You will need exactly 20 newtons of force. You can also solve for acceleration or mass by simply rearranging the equation. Here is another example. Let's say the total net force acting on the bowling ball when you kick it is 10 newtons, but the bowling ball weighs 40 kilograms. That is only a quarter of a meter per second, not very fast.
Oh, I get it. So in order for the bowling ball to move quicker, I have to kick it even harder.
Slow down there, little Billy. You have the right idea. However, I don't want to face a lawsuit, so let's not try it. Newton's second law of motion, F net equals ma, is one of the most important and fundamental equations in physics. This law governs the motion of everything in the universe, from kicking a ball to the movement of entire planets.
Wow, thanks, Newton. Science is cool.